What's going on, guys? It's me, Zern. Today we'll be opening the second of the 2 packs. It's the Super Fertilizer upgrade pack. Last time we opened up the No Brainers pack, so this time we're opening up Super Fertilizer. So let's get to it. Okay, I'm purchasing it, and bam, I own this product. Now I'll see you back into the game. Okay, there we are, 7 gifts. Okay, let's get to this Super Fertilizer Defender Pack 1. So let's open this up. Okay, we got some stars. Also, I'm doing this alone, unlike last time. Okay, so we're just getting a whole bunch of potted plants and stars. More launchers, I already have a lot of those. Okay, the corn pack. This is up to 114,000. Oh, multi-shot. Okay, sunflower. Okay, $189,000 now. Ooh, dark flower, okay. Citron pack. 289,000. Moon shield. Attack pack. More stars and stuff. Team retry. Okay, another defender pack. Okay, more perfumes. And the last one, the pea shooter pack. Okay. 614,000, not as much as it gave us last time with the 1.1 million, but still 614,000 is good. So let's open up some phenomenal character packs. I might get all the characters in the game after opening up all of these packs. Actually, I don't think I have enough for that. So yeah, we just got a new all-star. Okay, now we're getting engineer, a plumber. Okay, come on. Okay, we got ice cactus, almost welder. Oh, and we do get the welder. Come on. Okay, fire flower and camo ranger and camo cactus. Okay, 3 in 1 pack. H&P, finally! I have all the pea shooters in the game now. Electric Citron and Wrestling Star, okay. Okay, Electric Sunflower, Power Flower, and Chemist, and Hot Rod Chomper. Now I just need one more Chomper and I have all the Chompers in the game. Did I open the wrong pack? What is this? What pack did I just open? Well, whatever. Oh, I guess it is giving me stuff like this. Okay, so yeah, that's the pack opening. Tank Commander, okay. How close am I to completing the whole roster in the whole game? So Imps still need 2 more, Super Brains 2 more, Captains 1 more, Foot Soldiers. I have all the Foot Soldiers, all Engineers, 1 more Scientist, 2 more All-Stars, 2 more Citrons, 1 more Rose, 2 more Corns, all Pea Shooters, all not cactus, 1 more Chomper, all Sunflowers, all Cactuses. So still need to work on Corn, Chomper, Rose, Citron, All-Star, Imp, Super Brains, and Captain Deadbeard, and Scientist. So still have a little bit left to do, but yeah. So guys, I just realized when I was checking the mailbox, I realized I had enough money for the Legendary Holiday Pack, so yeah, we're gonna be opening that up as well. So yeah, let's get to it. So for Gifts Festival Edition pack. Yeah, a whole bunch of holiday things. Commando Clan pack. Oh yeah, exclusive character. Monies and Scallywag and Gold. Yeah, that's the end of the video now. So I also just forgot that we need to open up packs. So yeah, let's get this. Okay. Goalie star. And another star. Okay, now this is definitely the end because I own every character in the game now. So yeah, bye.